This video I'm going to be talking about this thing. This is the Sea to Sky Pack by Arcadia Supply Company. Believe it or not, this is a 24-liter sized backpack inside here. The company, Arcadia Supply Company, actually sent this out to me to sort of give a review. This is marketed as a day pack, an additional backpack you bring along with you when you go on a trip. But what I did is I decided to actually use it as my main backpack for a recent trip that we did up in the mountains. So far, I can say I really like this, and here are some of my thoughts. First off, some of the specs. It's 24 liters and it's stretchy, so you can fit actually a lot of stuff in it. Here, I'll show you everything that I packed into this little backpack. It's crazy. I had all my toiletries, clothes, my camera gear that I was bringing, water bottle, and my neck pillow, whatever other stuff I had, I put it all in here. It's made of Cordura fabric that's waterproof, so the main compartment of this is actually waterproof. So this is so convenient. Like I'm probably gonna have this with me every time I travel. If I'm not using it as a main backpack, I'll probably bring it along as a day pack. So here it is, the backpack. Bam. So there's two main compartments. The larger compartment here is waterproof. And then you have a zip down one for more accessories. And then these two side pockets that can actually fit a lot of stuff. Water bottle, maybe you want some sunscreen or whatever else you want to put in there. The trip that we went on consisted of an overnight bus ride, and then another bus ride, and then a motorcycle ride, and then a hike. So this backpack endured that just fine without any problems at all. I was able to fit everything I needed for that trip in here. So far, I'm really liking this backpack. It has all the straps you need. It has chest, has stomach straps. It even has these straps here we can pull, and it takes some of the weight off your shoulders. Some of the things I really like about the backpack are the size. Obviously, the size is one of the biggest advantages of this backpack. You can just pack it in any suitcase if you're going on any trip. Use it as a secondary day pack. Also, the weight, it's very light, because some other backpacks that I have, the backpack itself has some weight to it. This does not. So basically, the weight that you're carrying is just the stuff that you put inside of it. So it felt not very heavy carrying all my stuff with me. Another advantage is it's waterproof. The main compartment is waterproof, so it closes like this at the top, and you have to fold it at least 3 times or more so that no water will seep in. So that's a big advantage. I wasn't scared of rain or anything. I knew my stuff will be protected inside. And here in the Philippines, we go on a lot of boat trips. And so I'll probably be using this when we go on boat trips to keep my stuff protected from inside. And then for me, I could fit a lot of stuff into this backpack. This could almost be my main backpack for most trips, actually. I can fit a ton of stuff in there. Another pro is the weight distribution. So it has the chest clip, it has the waist clip, and it even has the tightening things here. So when you pull these, it actually lifts the backpack a bit and puts less weight on your shoulders. So if you do have a ton of heavy stuff in there, these straps really help a lot with that. So far from what I can tell, the quality of the backpack is really good. It could stretch too, so when I put stuff in my backpack, it would stretch. And the zipper on the front seems very durable as well. Yeah, so far, I mean, to me, it seems very durable. So we'll see how long this lasts. Another pro is it looks pretty good too. The design looks pretty good. It's a pretty cool backpack. Now, some of the cons for me are, it's a bit hard to reach all my stuff just through this top compartment, because then you have to reach in here. Whenever I needed something, sometimes I'd have to take out everything to reach it, because the only way to get to there is just through this entryway. And I guess they made that so that it's waterproof, so it's not a huge deal. Also, I noticed with this gray version, they have different colors, but at least with mine, you could kind of see through a bit. You could kind of see the stuff inside of this compartment here. Again, that's not a huge deal for me, but I wish you weren't able to see the stuff inside. But in conclusion, I definitely recommend this backpack. I'm probably gonna be bringing it on most of my trips, and we'll probably be using it as a main backpack even on a lot of trips. I mean, it fits in this little bag. That's crazy. Let me try folding it and putting it back into the pouch. Ew, did I fold it the wrong way? Is there a right way of doing it? I don't think so. Crazy, huh? Boom, there you have it. 2 thumbs up for the Arcadia Sea to Sky pack. I definitely recommend it. Hope you enjoyed watching. I'll see you next time.